Spark new life in your landscape with an attractive block fire pit. Here's how to build it. Begin by picking a spot away from your house and away from low-hanging limbs. Our fire pit will be built on the lawn, but you can also build on a patio. We're building this fire pit from regular retaining wall blocks lined with clay fire block. Rectangular blocks make it easy to adjust the layout to a size that works well for you. Using different style blocks can also change the look of your fire pit. Check out our other videos to see how to build a fire pit ring or an in-ground fire pit. Mark the shape of the fire pit with blocks. Check for square, adjust, and mark the outline with a shovel. Set the blocks aside and remove the sod and dirt to a depth of 2 inches. Then tamp down the soil. Keep it as level as possible. Next, add about 2 inches of gravel paver base. Wet it and tamp down. Then add another ½ inch and tamp again, keeping the base level. With a firm base, lay the first row of blocks. Make sure the blocks are touching. Set the second row of blocks, staggering the joints of the first layer. If you have to cut a block, mark around it and cut on 2 sides using a circular saw with a concrete blade. Then part it with a chisel. When the second row looks like a good fit, remove each stone and apply concrete adhesive, then reposition. Do the same for the third row. After you've placed the blocks, add some more paver base and line the inside of the fire pit walls with clay fire bricks. Add a few inches of lava rock to hold them in place. Then add logs and kindling, and you're ready for a pleasant evening by the fire. Want more great ideas and how-tos? Go to Lowe's.com/howto.